Masks make a huge difference. I don't think I could stress how important I think this is as a pillar of pandemic control. There are two reasons that masks work so very well. One is that, when this started spreading the coronavirus so quickly at January, February, March, people were like, what could be happening? People started talking about surfaces, fomites, there was such confusion. And then really what happened is that it turns out, and we haven't seen this for a long time in infectious diseases, that even though you feel well, you can shed the virus at high rates from your mouth and nose, even when you feel fine. And by definition, that asymptomatic spread means that if you cover your mouth and nose, which is where it's coming out, that you can protect others. That's one point about masking, that you protect others. It's so interesting because no other country, hands down, has fought mask wearing like we have in the United States. And so I give you two good examples because I really like these examples. Taiwan, March 6th, very early in the pandemic, they have a country near them in which the pandemic is still, raging, which is China. They literally pull out all the stops and make factories and industry convert to mask wearing because they knew about mask wearing since SARS, which was the pandemic in 2003. They mass produce masks and the populace wears them without, debates like this because it's such an important pillar of control. And they have had a handful of deaths in a country of 23 million people. They hand out masks. They provide masks. They model mask wearing. They message mask wearing. They have billboards with mask wearing. It just wasn't an issue. Same with actually many Asian countries, Vietnam, Thailand, Japan, Singapore, South Korea. From SARS, they knew how to mask. And then I like the talking about the Czech Republic because they weren't affected by SARS in 2003, but they just figured it out, put out a mandate for mask wearing on March 23rd, also quite early in the pandemic. And they got through their pandemic so quickly. Everyone wore cloth face coverings. And by May 11th, they're like, okay, we're done. You can start taking off your face coverings. They had such low death rates and such a good response. No one has fought it, though, like the United States. No one.